Woohoo! Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of Dyson's Gen5 Outsize cordless stick vacuum cleaner because it's really not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a runtime of up to 75 minutes. It comes with a ton of swappable heads for different surfaces, has a humongous dustbin that I can use to vacuum my entire house like a dozen times before having to actually empty it out. But it's been engineered for any type of home with any type of floor and is excellent if you have pets that shed or kids that make messes, which in our case is both. So we got this vacuum for a couple of reasons. First is we've got different types of floors and we wanted something that would vacuum effectively on all of them. The second reason is because we have kids who constantly make messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff that are like quote unquote heavier to pick up. So we needed something that was powerful enough to actually pick up that heavy debris. And then the third is because we have a dog who is so awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also remove all of his hair as well, because it blends into the fabric and materials of our furniture, our carpet and rugs, and also do so like effectively. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, honestly, it's worth watching till the end. If you're already convinced though, just stop watching now and just go buy this vacuum. It's really awesome. But first, what we'll do is we'll go over the swappable heads. So what we'll do is we'll start with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is going to be your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors and has this like little switch in the front to change it as needed to work on specific surfaces. Then we have the hair screwer tool, which is freaking awesome. I love sticking this on the end of the cyclone and then just going to town on my furniture, especially behind the couch cushions, and snatching up all the pet hair and my wife's long blonde hair that is like practically invisible. But when it gets up against the furniture, it's totally visible when looking like into the dustbin afterwards. So then you have this 2-in-1 brush, or what Dyson calls the combination tool. So you simply by pressing this button retracts back the brush head and reveals like a scraper head to remove like, crusties on floors and surfaces. And then the brush head is good for removing dust from like sensitive surfaces and furniture. Then you have one of the coolest heads of all, the fluffy Optic TM cleaner head. So if you have OCD, you want to feel productive, or that you're actually making a difference in the world, this is your guy. First, you can remove the fluffy cylinder to wash and clean it, and then stick it back into the head for resuming like cleaning. But the neatest feature is that when it is activated, it like shoots out this green kryptonite laser that detects hidden dust, and with that, plus the Dyson dust like illumination feature, it reveals the particles that you can't normally see. And with it being precisely angled to make like invisible dust just like magically appear on hardwood floors, you get to scratch that OCD itch when you see it just like gobble up all the debris, the hair, the dust, and everything else in its path. It's honestly absolutely amazing. If you're a clean freak like me, this will be a new hit, elevating you to like literally the status of like a clean junkie in the vacuum world. I love this. If I'm ever like stressed and I just want to feel like, okay, I want to do something good, I go put on this head on the vacuum and I just go to town. Finally, you have this built-in dusting and crevice tool that actually transforms your vacuum with an extended wand into a handheld for quick pickups of the press of a button. So this is actually the first time that I've seen this in a Dyson vacuum, but it is awesome for wanting to go from like one room, like one side of a room, and blow it all out by simply switching heads in the moment to pick up debris on like countertops or tables, and then just reattach it as needed to continue vacuuming. So I can start at one end of the room and basically do the entire room from one side all the way to the other and just be done, instead of having to go throughout the whole room and then switch heads and start over at the other side and do it again and again and again until the room's actually finished. Then we move on to the cyclone itself. So this Dyson doesn't have a trigger on it. Actually, the power button is on the top of the cyclone found here. And then when pressing it, it activates the cyclone and illuminates the LCD screen on the back. Then by pressing the button right below the LCD screen, it'll actually display the different modes that you want to operate in. So eco mode, auto mode, and then like turbo boost mode. And then you'll also have the option for like switching languages as well from that same button. Now, the way to actually access the filters is by simply rotating this blue part here. You turn it counterclockwise and then you just pull it off. And then you'll take this part, you'll run it under water and rinse it off, let it like air dry for like 24 hours. And then you simply insert it back on. You rotate the blue part clockwise until it locks into place, and then you're good to go. So a couple fun features is that on eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house twice. Okay, so our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this book nook, another kid's room, all of this carpet, the stairs, the living room, the kitchen, the dining room, this little mud room, this powder bathroom, this front entry room, master bathroom, our closet, and our bedroom. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin and how large it is. The way that you do this is by simply grabbing this lever here. You do so over a trash can and then just push towards the end of the cyclone and it'll open up a lid and empty out the dust. Then just give it a couple of pats, close the lid, retract it back into place, and you are good to go. And then charging it is pretty simple as well. So you simply plug it into this little port found here. And then if the battery is attached to the cyclone, the LCD screen will actually light up on the back and will show you how much battery charge it has. And then finally, Dyson has made it so that the batteries are detachable with this model. So you can simply remove the battery and have it be the only component that's actually charging. So you don't have to like lug around your cyclone to actually charge it up. So if it isn't obvious by now, it's sleek in design, simple to use, versatile in function, powerful, effective, and can vacuum my entire house on a full charge and empty dustbin twice. It works great on hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, tile. It picks up all of my dog's hair on furniture, the constant messes my kids make, and cuts my cleaning time in half. It takes like 4 hours to fully revive it from dead mode to flow bone like God mode, and has a 75-minute runtime if you're on eco mode, and includes all those like nifty little filters that are washable and reusable, so you don't have to like buy extra filters, and which saves money, time, and hassle. So yeah, it's great, especially because of the versatility of the built-in dust and crevice tool for like immediately cleaning up dust, debris, and crumbs, and then just immediately switching it to cordless vacuum mode to like continue vacuuming the floor. So you can go from one side of the room, and with this tool, you can clean all the different types of surfaces and go from one side all the way to the other, and you're good to go. So anyways, that's my product review of the Dyson Gen5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Thanks.